Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you send gifts on your Snapchat. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do is you just go up, you click here on this photo here in app, then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do is you just go up, you click here in this sign settings here in app, then you come here to this list and you just click here on Snapchat and you click here on Snapchat and gift, and here can you send gift here, so you just choose friend you want to send a gift for like this, and here can you pay for this gift here, so add your so just here gift Snapchat, so just click in it, click on it here and add your card information, then it's going to send a gift to this person here on your X app, sorry, Snapchat. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.